Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change location on TikTok. Open TikTok on your device and then open your profile at the bottom side of the screen, and then go to menu in the top right corner of the screen and then select settings, and here find account and go to account information. And now you see the list of information about your account. We need account region, and here basically find the country that you need to switch to, and simply mark it by tapping on the needed country. So that's how we can change location on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.